Hi, I am Narendra Kumar. I have 12 years of experience in IT industry and I have been working in Spark and Databricks for 8 years now. I have completed all these certifications and worked for multiple companies, multiple clients, and delivered so many projects on data engineering. Now, I want to share my knowledge and take you to a journey to learn Spark and Databricks. We will be taking both Spark and Databricks together because they work best in the combination. And Databricks, it was founded by the same people who built Spark. Along the way, we will also cover Delta Lake, Medallion Architecture, and whatever other best practices that I have learned. We will start by understanding the history of Spark and Databricks. Then we will jump into the architecture of Spark, all its components, and all the other things that you shall be aware. And on Databricks side also, we will cover Unity catalog, the notebooks, the jobs, you name it, and we will cover it. And from programming perspective, we are going to do all the hands-on on both PySpark and SQL. I have prepared my own material so that I can explain all the things my way, which is going to be very easy and friendly. We will deep dive into each and every topic and understand all the theoretical aspects of it. Also, we will do lots of hands-on so that you practice yourself and never forget a thing. We will start everything from the beginner level and then build on top of it. So if you are a complete beginner, then you will become an expert. If you know some of the things, you will get complete knowledge. And if you think you are an expert, I feel there is room for learning for everybody. I have put good amount of effort in preparing the material and bringing it to you. What I need in return is a like and a comment on this video so that it can be taken to others and they can also learn the same thing that you are learning. If you are still doubtful, you go ahead with couple of videos, then come back here and put some comments. Because this is the first video and putting a like and comment to this video will tell YouTube that this is a good material and it shall be shared with others. With that, without any delay, let's get started. So see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye for now.